Hello everyone, it's Megasan Fjord, and today I'm making a video on my Skoda Octavia 2022 diesel 2.0 110 kilowatts. So this car, I'm just not showing the plate numbers, and so today it's March 16th in Lithuania, and it shows it's still like a winter, it's cold, and as you can see there is some dirt everywhere, so which means that yes, I'm driving in urban area, and because I'm not living in the city, so, and as you know, Skoda Octavias are very good at these urban areas. So this is how the car looks like, and let's turn it on. Okay, here we go. So yeah, as you can see, so here we go, and it's still quite cold, so let's turn it on. We can turn it on here. Here we go. So it's just 0 degrees, so it's warm enough. We have, so yeah, we have Android Auto, we can switch it on, we have everything here. We are using also, okay, so assisting systems, so many of them, trying traffic, those signs, and as you can see, many of them. Wow, that's a lot. So what do we have here is very nice feature, which is front window warmer. So it will be warming, because as is now you can see it's just, so yeah, we have the seats a little bit we have, and also there is nice feature, you don't need to touch it, you just look, you need to touch it. So we have like this feature, but I know it works with something like this, yeah. So, oh, as you can see now, it's quite warming fast, but I think it's coming from here. No, I'm not sure if it's coming from here or, so yeah, that's, you can see that this feature is working quite fast. And even though it's diesel, it also generates, but I also can, like put air conditioner, so it will be way faster, and as you can see, it almost did with this feature. So as we turned on the engine, so 1.3 consumption, and it will be keep dropping to 0.7, 0.6. And since it's quiet, so yeah, it shows like this. We have all the features here, the changing gear manually, we have this, we have heating of the wheel, so steering wheel, ignition is on and off. We have music, we have communication, we have many other interesting features, and I probably don't need to tell you this because you probably know that. So we have this kind of gearbox with the neutral rear. I need to clean it up. drive and also S drive. So if I turn it, so we are now on S mode, sport mode. So you just need to click and it's just drive. So it looks like this feature really helped a lot, and there is no need to heat it up unless there is like special need. So okay, so this is the traffic side. Okay, let's open the window. This car is really beautiful. It's the headlights, those are LED on both sides, but in reality I don't know, it doesn't show very good. So this is how it opens, and it's just automatically holds. So this is the car inside, and it works really silently. It's not like a diesel, but it's also not like a petrol. So some dirt, because as you know I'm driving in urban area. Also this front assists, you can see, and also interesting things. So I don't know what to show more. Many computers here. So interesting here is this camera. It works for science. So yeah, this is how it is. Also the car closes based on if you touch this, it will close. The car will close, or if you are near enough, so it will open. So let's turn. Okay, I think I need to stop the car and it will open. So let's stop it. It's already quite warm here. So what I did, I've just let's the focus. So what I did, I turn it off. Maybe let's just a second. The keys are inside. If they are inside, you will not be able to close the car. So as you can see, I did. And let's open. So I did by this. Oh, again. So okay. So it works. Yeah, this feature works. Yeah, it does work. So the trunk is really big. It's really big. The compartment of luggage. Also this feature I will show, it's working really perfectly. So this is the diesel. Okay. Diesel. This is the bars. So no biodiesel. So AdBlue. This is the tires. 18 meters. And it's winter tires, so they must be very good condition here, because the winters are really tough here. So that's my car. So let's get inside and I'll show you a few more things. So one more thing here is, this is the charging of the phone. I can put the phone here and it will charge. So let's turn once again, and let's try this phone. I don't know if it's. So this is how it looks like. This is the trunk, still big one. Okay, and in the more videos I will show you also more things. So also this start. So as you can see, it's already turning. Yeah, so it's charging, and we can also charge by putting here, like we can connect the phone anywhere. So this is the park mode. Yeah, like let's turn it on. Okay, I did not correct it. So also, I don't know guys, this is, so I'm turning lane assist always. You can change the layout here. You can also change the whole layout, like here, and I just chook. Let's, okay, settings, backgrounds, blah blah blah. So what I keep always the temperature, the AdBlue, the lane. So I keep this feature, and I keep here the consumption of real consumption. And also this very interesting feature, which is coasting. Coasting, it will, you know, show here coasting. It's like neutral, but you keep going, the car keep going and save some fuel. So that's it. So I don't know guys, navigation works, but now it's disabled because I didn't buy it. So let's take the fuel consumption here. So this is 5.0 liters on a since start. Slow long term 2000 kilometers 5.1. So it's really good considering it's summer. So since refueling 4.9, and I'm doing around 900 kilometers. Sometimes I almost reach 1000. And also this car has driven 10,311 kilometers. So that's it guys for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will keep more things about this car in the near future. So see you and have a nice day.